In this question, a linear function is represented on the coordinate grid. What is the y-intercept of the graph of this function? Okay, so we are looking for a y-intercept or our b value. We could go ahead and make a table, put these values in decimals, and get our b value. However, this graph is, in this graph, it's very easy to find your y-intercept. We can do that by highlighting our y-axis, which is the one that goes straight up and down. And we're looking for the point where my y-axis and my graph intersect. So where do they touch? And that point would be right here, which is 0, 5. So my y-intercept is 5. Okay, next we have a teacher bought sets of books at a cost of $17.95 per set. The teacher also paid a one-time shipping fee of $22. Which table shows the relationship between the total cost of the books and the number of sets of books the teacher bought? So in this question, we have to create an equation based off of what we read in the problem. So we know that an equation starts with y equals. We have to have a slope, and we have to have a y-intercept. Our slope here, we can find it by looking for the keywords each, every, or per, which is here. That tells me that my slope is $17.95, and my b is 22. So let me write that a little better. Y equals 17.95x plus 22. Now we have to find the table that goes to this equation. So I'm going to go into decimals, and I'm going to type in this equation with the equal sign. So y equals 17.95 x plus 22. Then I'm going to press this settings button at the top, click table, and change my x values to these x values here. 16, 20, 24, 28. 16, 20, 24, 28. And all I have to do now is match to see which table matches what I got on decimals. So I have 16 and 309.2. That one is wrong. 16 and 309.2, wrong. 16 and 746, wrong. 16 and 309.20, 20 and 381, 24. This is the only one that matches what I have here on decimals.